Hi, it's Lori from GLP-1 Journey in Review. I got my order in today from Red Rock. I'm going to show you, ordered it on the 1st and today is the 9th. So it took 8 whole days. Came FedEx. So inside this foil bag is another foil bag. This one has a Ziploc. And here's the medication with the syringes. Ice pack here, still cold. I do appreciate the smaller package than Empower used, because that was a huge styrofoam package and kind of, to me, a waste. This is about the same size as the mochi box, maybe a tad bigger. No little insulated cup in it. So I'm opening it up, and here's the medication, the bottle. Let's see, the bud date is, let's see, fill is 3/28, bud date is 6/28 of 25. So again, not a super long bud date, but we all know it is possible to use it after the bud dates. Not recommended, but still okay. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 syringes. Some information on Tirzepatide. The usual with the side effects and how to properly store it. And let's see, the alcohol wipes. There are 6 of that also. So this is basically the whole thing. Came inside of this, which had a little Ziploc and had a little ice pack in here. Don't know if you could reuse this. Not for individual resale. Disposal, place in trash. Not to be used on body or for medical injuries. So we'll get rid of that. I have plenty of ice packs anyhow. And then it came in an outside wrapper. So that's the unpacking from the latest order I got from Mochi from Red Rock. And there you have it.